Hello everyone, welcome to Sai classes, and today we will take the second topic of the chapter light. And children, we will discuss about laws of reflection in plane mirror, children. So before starting the laws of reflection, you should know some important terms. So children, we'll discuss about the important terms which is very important in the laws of reflection. So first of all, children, make a plane mirror. And in this plane mirror, this is the polished surface on which a ray is coming and falling like this. So this ray, children, is said to be incident ray. And the ray which is reflected back like this, you have to see the arrow properly. This ray is said to be reflected ray. So incident ray and reflected ray. In between, children, there is a line which divides this, that is said to be normal. Okay? And this point on which the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal is lying, that point is said to be point of incidence. Okay? So incident ray, reflected ray, this line is said to be normal, point of incidence. Now there is an angle formed here and one angle formed here. This angle I, small I, is said to be angle of incidence. And this is said as angle of reflection. Angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Okay, children? Smaller. Now, two more things you should know, children. This plane from point of incidence and normal in the side of incidence ray, that is incidence ray and the normal at the point of incidence is called as plane of incidence. Plane of incidence. मतलब this plane, children, ये जो plane है, from point of incidence, this side is said to be plane of incidence. And one more plane is there, plane of reflection. What is this? This plane from normal, this side, from if you see the reflected ray, that plane, this plane is said to be plane of. These are very important terms, children, which you should know. And now we will talk about the laws of reflection. So children, there are two laws. First law. Now what is the first law? If you talk about the first law, the incident ray, the point of incidence, the normal and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane, children. Incident ray, the normal, point of incidence, and the reflected ray. They all lie in the same plane. This plane, this is the plane. So incident ray, normal, reflected ray, point of incidence, it lies in the same plane. Okay, this is the first law. What is the second law? It is very simple, children. this angle I, that is the angle of incidence, and this angle R, which is the angle of reflection. So angle I will be equal to angle R. Means these both the angles will always be equal, children. So these are the two laws of reflection in plane mirror, children. So you have to remember all these points, and you have to learn the law of reflection. It is very simple, but it is very important also, children. So if you like my video, subscribe it and take good care of yourself, children. Thank you.